I'm gonna tell you how to turn on game mode on your Roku TV or streaming device. First, if you're using a Roku TV, press the home button on your remote and go to settings. Next, select TV picture settings or picture settings. The exact same may vary depending on your TV brand. Look for game mode or auto low latency mode, then turn it on. Some Roku TVs will automatically switch to game mode whenever they detect a connected game console. If you're using a Roku streaming stick, Roku Express, or Roku Ultra, it's a little different. Since the Roku device doesn't process your console's video directly, game mode is controlled by your television, not the Roku streaming device itself. So to reduce input lag while gaming, connect your console directly to your TV and enable game mode in your TV's picture settings. If you're gaming through cloud gaming apps available on Roku, you'll still need to enable game mode on your TV for the best experience. And that's it. That's how you turn on game mode on a Roku television or optimize gaming when you use a Roku streaming device. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.